Oh, Yamiadum, I want to say, you're quiet by just trying to shape the discourse. Mind will be tumpong, and I think that's very, very important. Say, as young people, young so no, you better get involved, and I think that's exactly what we are doing. Yeah. Because when you have a BNI walk, now have a agent in there, you could see say there has been a significant improvement. Yeah. Pump now top petrol na ya teswama wa menye sure say ubo obidin, but it is out of some of these discourse na timi aboa me shaping the nation to where it is today. So I think say the collective welfare of the average and the ordinary Ghanaian internal politics that be America e ka mo didi amenko anka obi ansore metan ha so politics. Yeah. But I think say the vulnerable, the average people your friend is saying whose interest must be taken care of. And not can hold in the BIA try to shape the discourse as a mind banner. Also, what you deserve, you get from the Ubenya. Now, also, I said yes, we are with me and the children will be a young cobro, be a quaquayas and pufro. And I think that's exactly what we are seeking to do now.
All right, my question, the person came so the name is 720. I'm so okay, Mate. My question, Mate, why 720? They say, Ken Ofori Atta be your friend on number 720. All right, Auntie, innocent, share Ken Ofori Atta issues far from I say editing, to so question immigration. I think videos in be out, man, Crawford can say journalists or mode out and was unprofessional, and then I'm saying, now, finance minister couldn't say, your former finance minister. Now you perceive who the question. Yeah, TV conversation with the Bible is unprofessional. Say a video in the Bible. Think I fire no one. I can't see the gun of one. And the lawyer so say pickets and air cosono, and ya no day Ken Ofori Atta beba. Attorney General say they've made headway for extradition. They are hoping at least by February 19th. More ebenya moye papa. Some not doors. This one person, number 720.
It's very embarrassing, and I think let me start with Ken Ofori Atta. Abranti on Nam Kumas on any lawyer. Frank Davis. I think he should just shut up. Ojaka Sebabuano. Because so what's your various conversations or having on TV, and they are so provocative, so annoying and nauseating to the stand. Say, I don't know. Obi obenya weise otieno. First of all, he has demonstrated his issues no air cosono. Or no, the amount 40 free TVs no be an he's not clothed with any extra layer of information. Amount for air call it on him to give it to them. Yeah. Or any interview, I am piano that kind of way. Makasa, if you claim you are a lawyer of a person who is a subject of a matter, a public interest, your frost bekasa is a choice. You can't force me to come and sit here and talk. Oh yeah. So offer me a member. By the very moment I'm here, if you ask me a question, even though I may decline, say be a question way, but in your friend about to try young piano as a forum. So otchere kasa or Kenya, they are so annoying and so nauseating, but what they are forgetting is at this point in time, Ken Ofori Atta is not a private individual. What's in the baby? Sure. This is somebody at the center of a national controversy. The interest of the republic is at stake. So every single Ghanaian beer our vested interest in anything Ken Ofori Atta, because the average Ghanaian want answers to some of the criminal investigations that has been conducted in this particular country, and his presence is required to come and answer for those questions. Then the state will make a determination whether to proceed to prosecute or not. That is the idea the average Ghanaian is looking at. Initially, when he started playing I am sick, I am sick. Now it is quite clear, sir. It is not about I am sick, BM. It is about a deliberate attempt to fight the state. It's a chrome. And we will be a war iota of war conscience as a reasonable human being. We are highly educated. First of all, you should be ashamed of yourself. Because what I want to say, what at all is preventing this gentleman from honoring the invitation to come back to this country? And they will tell you, say, fair judgment and as for Ghana is not a sort of a communist or some sort of a banana republic. Yeah, bandel among for them prison. When a yachino, atchere and atchere and nine, a prison since this whole thing started. There hasn't been any single person. So that justification is about justice and it's absolute nonsense to start with. And it's some sort of a justification or more akuki just to your friend saying justify why he should not come. And again, Ken Ofori Atta has decided not to come. And at the state, activate all mechanisms available just to ensure say Yebenyano extradited to this country. Say US, say here we know Koswa, our choice. Very often, I've been watching some of the proceedings. A public way. Sometimes it's open, you can join.
Yeah.
But when you make your first a request, so it should be done. Exactly, it will be done for you because the person now, Moody, somebody Ken Ofori Atta, or can say he didn't want it to be public, but or person the family joining the line, and the judge can say, oh, own to mean determine. When your family member and when your family member, and then the lawyer says, "Oh, I can determine meaning because the fear for they want to join." So it's a matter of whether you are interested. So Ghana wanted to telecast that particular proceedings. Because so what check it in the history because TV station being what them say process with TV so making provisions to aid. But when they made that particular request, it was respected. You understand? And then it was not shown. But the fact of the matter is that. And then sick and for that on person saying because he's not sick. Whoever propounds that particular theory, it's absolute nonsense. That is what I'm saying. Is that because now you can't answer me, So what's the way and some no corner. You could see a certain renewed determination on his part. Why not just Obakroma? Because initially no so yare or yes surgery. Until also tells you that let them be no trouble. The office of the special prosecutor, he was just fooling them because he had no plans of returning to this country. Now, what he's seeking to do, he said, U.S. for man of now on stay because Oba Ghana, he will be witch hunted. Oh, no fair hearing. And for that particular reason, allow no. And dear Semno, judge need to share April. Then he wanted to post a bond. U.S. when you are undergoing immigration where post a bond discover to tiso they catch so kwananam ko now you can have your freedom now emra so say hiawa ya from waba. So what he was seeking to do is say yeah there are na July he wanted to go home till July. Then the lawyers April and son of back. So then the lawyers now more represent Ghana and my catch say Ghana and for lawyer and call a US as Ghana's proxy. And they raise the objection say no. Nipa na ye di na sem about deportation higher ye can me even though extradition and can hold there. But the same person there is an extradition request identity so never mind Ghana or your finance minister or yes wa bokro no abodwirim and we Ghana babesa and a minor cry is fighting say yamfanamra and a judge say okay I'm not aware of that but the NHS say extradition and it is so what is the extradition document and also because the different departments and because my counsel said these cases are separate and I say okay if that is the case there means me based on hearsay and this are most in the mind Ghana at the extradition ambassador yamafano kwadia at the mamamo February 19th Monko fasa extradition documents na mra na menhwe na mehu a magina so determine whether say bond na wa post say yama no nkwa nam no yaba na kwan na say yama na kwan until the ultimate case is determined. This is a simple matter. So some make utie nsam na make catch na quite clearly a chance that this is a guy are you ready to fight or you na just about Kroma saying again bond now opposed to he wanted to have his freedom to do whatever but denial now from day one up to now Ken Ofori Atta has been in a detention it's more than 2 weeks now and he's going to be in detention till February 19th. So if Obi catch us say nipa we yare in the eyes of the law immigration officers and the eyes for about time na kwakwa prison obi a oyare then that tells you say it's all lie because America will not bundle a sick man who is going to die like they presented it say yamfano nkose detention center so it's never America will never do that but clearly a choice and some now can even though he may be sick, but he's not somebody who is terminally ill and also or so incapacitated or immobilized. Say, yes, he had to stretch us in a hospital. And that was the sort of message they were sending back and forth And then the course we for the fact say Ken Ofori Atta has decided never to come back to this country. And I'm saying Sanema we circle go back to Akufo Addo direct. Because he is the person who enlisted these petty criminals to handle the sensitive areas of this particular economy. Ken Ofori Atta will be in the track record in the private sector. He has never been in government business before. He was brought forward because President Wafasiye. At some point in time, his own party people rose against him because they were a man and not order or minor costume. Now it was dangerous, it was reckless. Yeah. Today, the same gentleman has the gut and the moral audacity to be sitting somewhere writing letters back and forth to Ghana for say, oh, Meyario, Mama Mekwine. When people were adducing enough justification as to why he should not destroy their banks, Musio, son of the say, yes, or some were caught in the bank, in some. Did he give him a chance to explain?
No.
Papa syndrome. Kwaku Annan ordinary no, and Amoaben or saw that ne demo to me a day before no Ken Ofori Atta crashia I meeting. Did he give these people a chance? Say Omo and church in some channel. So what the Timothy yes body way will come say now fe emra so so brana be you are not. Now you clothe yourself with this, I am sick, and then that tells you the character of the person in question. And that is what people are not looking at. You see, over the years, young people have actually lost trust in the political establishment because there is this easy to go with mindset to say, oh, everybody is corrupt, oh, politician, and you see, some of this behavior give you credence to those impressions that were for because growing up, now me free say responsible people ne don't kwa ban mu. And when you are done, you answer for your crimes. So whatever it is, you render accountability. The last time I catch us, even Pentecost, say you fall as a deacon or whatever, now say oh head the church. Now say you don't call before you account to the people. Mo said there were near my SCT, and you can check from the churches how much more you say or mine. And in Nippon TV, so mood defender Ken Ofori Atta. Today, the guy is saying, I am not coming anywhere because my bar, I will be witch hunted. Akufo Addo to Kruma witch hunting. Has there been any single way I witch hunting will be Kruma say? Nobody has been witch hunted. Nobody, and I actually regarding some of the investigations that Ken Ofori Atta involved now was spending more than 2 days or Yoko or any of the investigation agencies. So where lies the argument to say, my bar? Somebody will hunt me. There is no justification. The guy has decided that or he understands the enormity of his crimes. He understands Niyama Waya Okroma and the fact is there are several other criminal things I ever pop up. And in order to avoid everything, is the reason why he's doing all these things. But you see, the Oyanamaka, Ogu Nedimasi, Ogu party, I didn't buy any mercy. And all good nebusian for any massy. Come my culture says if Ken Ofori Atta failed to return to this country, which he is bent on doing, in the next way, the man nebusian for will be reminded. Kwanya omo fa na sa om papa na sa omukunu de oman Ghana be ba okuhwebra dwane kwatena obi man so ko wu ya na sa wanti ya ma ne krom, and that will be a blot on the conscience of his family for generation abeba. Because we are still trying to unpack the remnant of the bad governance that these people gave us. And then you have the audacity sitting somewhere talking nonsense, and his lawyer on the other hand is also infuriating and annoying Ghanaians with those dirty remarks on radio, on TV. You think Ken Ofori Atta when a year man for fast a man for sorry free TV so no can no, because the guy is a central figure in all the criminal activities that happen in this country, in all the investigations going on. So what is his problem? Why is he running away from accountability? At some point in time, his family took part in this whole thing, and they were writing letters back and forth. So oyare. Today, why are they not writing the same letter? What is the current update on his health status? What are some American? So Ken Ofori Atta there. Or koso gunanimasi no begunanimasi agunanimasi ananko ya obi a we former finance minister ebanese na obiana kwatro obi man. So today he is being treated like a criminal, a petty criminal. Yedo akwakoto ya fancy detention center just like any other person. Because my culture said to Donald Trump say with America now documents and as for no who was a criminal, also a criminal alien, and they treat you as such. And today, Ghana's former finance minister who rests until recently, yeah, and Nama, a soldier for the crown bag up and white,
yeah,
to Bible verses and as for today, the same character, deny on one Casana mine. And he has declared himself persona non grata. Mikro mint me ko me come quiet better me. Abrabo ben obo krom enter to me krom. Very often a state in the chase a man for out. But today he is chasing himself out. The state want him back and he's unwilling. You understand? So for me it is a shame. And after me you move in someone I can say Akufo Addo amamuno ayamamu born and MPP as a political party even confirmed the further. God Nema Ken Ofori Atta ye nyina ye Nema ebo man enye nyame adom and a certain strategic re-engineering be akoso and economy no atimi azumi a certain 14 bia and can ne ebi anka ye nimba bia ye wo and we take these things for granted we do normal. It's not normal. So I think that Ken Ofori Atta wherever he is wama onyo bia enyo bia na oye no ono na eye no ho ono ankasa na mena na otu ono ankasa na guso ogu nanim ase because today he's all over and whatever that is written said about him will be on the internet forever. Today look at him, a former finance minister looking like a petty criminal on TV screens all over the place. And do you be a war conscience? Will you subject yourself to this sort of public mortification? What sense of shame? Will you allow yourself to go through this particular process when you know I have done nothing? What at all is this? Let me go answer and then come. Nothing prevents him from coming. So his insistence also the sort of disrespect. Only Akufo Addo no for the people of this country. They have never respected the people of this country. That is why at some point when Ghanaians were so determined in their resistance against something like e-levy and then as a for these people were they were mocking Ghanaians. Catch and say the cake, the more kase, the akase yabaye and no one yabaye. You see, so for me, I think I feel so ashamed and so embarrassed, and he is a coward. That is what people should see him as. Because if you are not a coward, there is no reason to run away from your country. When every single person in that country is calling you to come, you have not been pronounced guilty. You have lawyers, you have right to your counsel, and as a forum. What at all is he running from? So yeah, like I said, we have two windows. Now the extradition process is going on, and then the deportation, even though the judge already the deportation case, I requested for the extradition, papers, but it has not taken anything away from the extradition. If that particular process may go through, and the judge becomes so satisfied that indeed the guy has to be extradited, he will be extradited, and then we will also be looking at this particular way. So for the state at this point, I am not sure anybody can blame the Attorney General because there's all within his
SP can delay at the end.
Yes. Or play games around it. Today the Attorney General is doing all that because on to me in fact playing America so otchere Ken Ofori Atta but it is never done. He has to go through the process and then as a forum, and that's exactly what he's doing to get the gentleman back to this country. And my catcher said if there is anybody to blame, you blame Ken Ofori Atta because he has moral obligation to the people of this country. If or respecting the people of this country, he will have to come back and answer for what he did. What I said. So if the person is trying to bring him back and he's going through a bottleneck to get him back, now or successful, you cannot blame that particular person. You cannot begrudge him. Rather begrudge the person who is insistent, the one who serves in a capacity. That being a finance minister, and today he says that he's sick. Ya na say bibi ha omo adwen ya nti kroma chachuchi kata ati asore dem omo kofa no dey na wie na nipa no so no prison. Victor Solomon and other people, they died in prison. These people were not granted this, and now when you could do a baby, and near my chachuchi kata and near my Victor Solomon and other people are subject you to such public humiliation, Ken Ofori Atta almost 1,000 times. And today you have the audacity sitting somewhere writing back and forth nonsense, seeking to justify. Say, your friends I'm posting bond. So when so he can post a bond, go to the US and go and look at the facility he's lodging. Very expensive facility. Now, Sikano, when you Sikafua, we will be doing these things. Exactly. So for me, I think that Ghana there, we are renewed in our request. And again, demonstration, you know, they are entitled to because they are Ghanaians. Sikana yajeno accountability na Ghana for enya John Mahama na accountability enya NDC enya Attorney General. And the people of this country, the government is only doing so on their behalf. So the people at any point in time dissatisfied with the process have every right to demonstrate. Even the US embassy understands that Ghana for the right to demand saying the extradition, and it has been happening. It's one of the ways I'll be using a democracy. I'll be demanding for his extradition, so that the State Department and the DOG will see the need and the urgency Ghana for attached to this particular case. Because my culture says he's not any French person. Ken Ofori Atta is a key and a central person of interest in all the criminal proceedings going on in this particular country, because he was sitting at the finance ministry, writing the check, dipping his hand into consolidated fund without recourse to law or authorization. He didn't respect anybody because Newofa, as a president, was dipping his hand. He too was dipping his hand. They took Ghana as a some sort of a family property. Across a village supermarket there. Utimi tum na nam obi yamu kano here dro because sa farmers in this me ya unye baby nto. That was the way they were running this country. Absolute nonsense, you understand. Today you have the audacity and the infantry sitting somewhere writing back and forth to us and Aremeyaw na debe. So I think say onko sungu na nima say, and I can't say when nature is pursuing you, you can never hide. Then I'm say we gonna we what would the atotono. Today you are in the US hiding in your comfort zone, but you are all about on TV. Man for a show. You look miserable because we are sensible psychologically. The trauma, the sort of embarrassment you are going through, and Kasana, and not quite enough. So for me, for the average Ghanaian seeking justice there, whatever Ken Ofori Atta is going through today, you know, there is nothing more justice than what is going through. The humiliation, the public mortification, the embarrassment all go through on TV screens. People are discussing him. For that way, you know, lend certain justification and credence to Yamu our earlier held positions. These were petty, unwitting criminals who took over this country and they messed this nation up. And time has come for them to answer for their crimes because they are cowards, you know. Look at where he is today. Because you be a coward. You don't run away from accountability. You face it, whatever it is, whichever form, whichever way will be, and you face it squarely. You come out as a hero. But running away makes you a coward, and that is what he is. That is why during their time, you know, obi also kaseti anu biano, and oba soreti aban biano. They tag you as anti-government enthusiast, and they will come after you. Even within the MPP, look at what they did to Boakye and Co. Because they requested, said the president should change Ken Ofori Atta. They weaponize the entire government against dissent. And that's exactly what the MPP is doing today. Today in opposition, look at what they are doing. Even in opposition, they've gone ahead to weaponize the political party from Pom Watson and Co. Look at what they are doing to you. Hey, yacho. Party our Owusu power opposition. You should be in the face of reconciliation. Like a mother. Whatever nonsense they did, as a mother, you sit back, you listen to Obia, you try to, you know, because at that time, when you in a certain age, you know, to be together. Now, mother, no, you are at the time when you know, with you. That's exactly what the MPP is doing, and they don't even realize it. That is what I'm saying, sir. They are not even amenable to wisdom reasoning, the common logic. It is a common sense, you know. It has become so expensive for them. Common sense. So common, it's very expensive, and they cannot even amend their mind to any of these things. So for me, I think Akufo Addo he came to equally destroy the political party and turn MPP for Mpanimfona or more decent-minded individuals. No, you are turning away from the party, now left with pitiful sycophants who are singing hallelujah choruses, and that is what the party has become today. Is the reason why they are determined taking away people like Frimpong Watson, Nyahota Maklo, and several other prominent individuals over the years, or more life as several political party, because we need to do certain age. you don't think twice when they're criticizing people.
Yeah,
because after what? And some penny for no, baby omunyina kwa na hona yemu binu free ba. Baby omunyina kwa and they can openly speak their mind. Hona ya start ya ba. We will still say that this generation is a different generation. Because we started speaking about, I don't care even if you're Jesus Christ and you mess up. The last time I catch us, you quite heavy on Chelana Yesu din semuna. It's as simple as that. What I say. So you should not compromise on principles and those kind of stuff. What I say. Those things are standard. They are natural. You don't move away from it because usru be anasa no kre. If it is a lie, it is a lie. It's as simple as that. So it's good today. Panimfo we hu niama hu ne tete. Afa no mo hu and they are speaking to it. I think say it's cool for Ken Ofori Atta there. You go through no and one will go through and this process will continue unabated until the America make a determination. And so that's America can stay. That is on him, that is on his family, and that will be on him forever. We are going to never be disappointed. And then the other lady now, you see, nobody is saying that she should not be brought back to this country. She's also part of it. Or not quite in the case, she has been convicted as a felon. Yes, or better prison. And your friend said the Attorney General is doing everything to bring that woman back. And I feel so ashamed. So we are several mine. Now, in the end, you run away. You are a coward. What I said now, you are a coward. You are a coward. Exactly, you are a coward. Because the mere fact that you impose a prison sentence on you, sometimes people go to jail and they fight their sentence. What I say. And that is what makes you a human being. Because politics, we are not just doing politics, we are charting history. Young people have to learn. Young people have to understand. Because politics is something you learn through experience. So, Abrabo more born Ghana. Yeah, politics, you don't need to be a person of character. You don't need to be a person of high value principle to be politics. The answer was Busia Nibu and our namphobia or met me influencer point to baby. Oba wouldn't say but leadership must come with responsibility, value, principle, no matter what you stand in for your people. And there will be our say Onja Finance Ministry no Hong Kong because Oyare at the time, because he could not abandon his children. At the time, his children, Ghanaians, need him the most to come and answer. Look at what he's doing. Such a shameful coward.
All right, my otchere was say where they sent to okay, I think what's them no me person me ti ase eye. I me say ono person otchere say on ti ase de nti a was on mode Ken Ofori Atta echo immigration court because you nimly say who US now say why overstay or visa. What they do is to just deport you. So why is Ken Ofori Atta's own different? Na lucrative na na seek say and pay what okay, or say question room. If 720 has overstayed his visa in the US, why are the Trump administration keeping him in detention until April 2026? I'll say if you overstay in this country, they will just deport you. Why is 720 on different? My otchere on a honor tintin and the Niabra.
But they don't just deport here. US new policy, she abontian, Adechiana for Doko, Yadwako, Plemudoko, Omonyasa. Say, oh, defense, as a foreign, you go to the court process and you have no justification. That is why automatically, by no crown, it take time. And into immigration for no camp, I keep you or more honor. There are those who are or more in some more court, they have to because Obi Howning Krata, but legitimately waware and a whole lot of processes on inkrata and obinsu ya criminal whole lot. And it's not a straightforward say when na channel do a process that you need to go through.
All right, I say where is Solo? Ya mark him absent. Now so last time they fed the crime bro. I said Papa ya was say Miss Ivan, congratulations. I started waiting for you since midnight. Hey. As midnight dey show na say. All right. Young twas when na me assure say one will say you tag for any abre e wo GTech director so say the mandates ye dia ma no say on fanya adwuma no wajai and o chase individuals or more use doctor and professor title, so they think say onima adwuma enti e was say or resign and na ye who say Civil Society Organization, Governance Accountability and Transparency Forum, and so say almost supported the youth tag for Kano. Now I don't know, or by resigning there.
Yeah, I think that my Tanaha campus up upon once a much. You see, you can't education our home. We don't just go for certificate.
Yeah.
We don't just go for papers. So you can't say education a lifelong kind of experience. I run through and over abonteno. You don't only get certificate. Emotionally, you should be intelligent and mature. Psychologically, you have to be very intelligent, and you become so fortified. Say all aspects of life, maybe you're able to deal with it because we educate people to be ready for uncertain circumstances.
Yeah.
So it's not about certificate. It's unfortunate that in recent times our education has been reduced to certificate. We should be not just certificate now. What we know now, but now we are seeing now because only at the video they couldn't know what dancers are educated.
Yeah.
Apart from the paper, in terms of experience, in terms of knowledge, nothing. Paper na need that so and the okase on family ko wura dem a obetime yiya ta so eno an di ne ho dance here, and it's quite shameful. I'm saying this just to tell you, say when you are educated, you are dealing with such a complex phenomenon like this, there are ways to go about it. But this gentleman, I don't know, I'm told he's a professor. I'm not a professor, subject of challenge. Yes, the way he's handling this thing is very annoying and so shameful. Because he has become a constant way on social media. Obia Semba, that is when his mandate becomes activated. And that is why I think he's so incompetent that he should be sacked. Because your mandate should not be activated when there is a controversy surrounding somebody. And nothing has happened. I do my way. Say, yes, you have to see a doctor. I didn't now. Sorry, do what and Samra Yenyan Kasa, you have to see your doctor. Ya has been running around town with a doctorate degree, in which you are aware. You are now aware as an institution, that is your mandate. And now going on social media back and forth, is that the responsibility of the CEO or a CEO and the director and the Juma no. Only other subordinate, another institution should be seen as going after these people. Should he be an individual? But yes, bear some sort of an attention-seeking freak, an individual who want to use social media and the public space, chasing clout and popularity.
Yeah.
And for me, it's very shameful. And they are all seek to also cast doubt on the academic integrity of the entire system now, because it means that a lot of people would fake when you have not been able to even prove any of them. Because Titi could have fake certificate. You don't confront Titi per se. School now say you write to the school for the school to verify. You can put it out there and the Legon will tell you say Titi saw your professor or young man professor Bia, it settles the matter. There shouldn't be any back and forth between, because in the right to information, there is no single university abroad I will trust them for further and better particulars concerning an individual on Sanka. So where lies this social media kind of stuff? What I say? It's very embarrassing and very shameful. And for me, I agree with them because they are all, he's just reducing the whole academic distance to something else. You understand? Because yes, it's good say Obikra fake certificate in for normal. Yes, you need to go. I agree perfectly with that particular line. But the approach, that is what I'm saying, that maturity and certain sense of intelligence should come to bear the way and manner you go about it. Because if you put somebody on the spot, send a certificate a fake, when you've not gone to any court, when you have not verified, and then later it turns out that Nipano certificate in a genuine, then the irreparable damage you've done to the person, can you undo it? Because forever it will be sitting on the internet. You understand? So for me, I think that or no be or fit for that particular job. Maybe send a Juma where assign you because he seemed to be enjoying the sport. The very moment we about Ayaraga, we know about and Ayaraga nyam emba sport, the guy has been running around town with a doctorate certificate for how many years in here? The last time they did an interview with him and movie send baby in the school. Somehow cannot teach abubefu. School now kwaji certificate but this person has been running around for a very long time. And as G-Tech, what have you done? Background check Ben a year to authenticate or otherwise that particular way. What I say? It means you are not doing your job. You just enjoy the social media back and forth, and now no they call Professor Ayensu so otchere no they call we so when you are nkasa no certificate and the him for the demand say onye no UTAG na enye ordinary people. There are people with professor doctorate degree in as a form who are incised by this shameless act of or yes anyone on social media. So I think it's a right call. I disagree perfectly with Kwanya and the modus operandi. I am not taking it away because I don't want to see anybody with fake certificate. But unfortunately, we live in a country where we think life is all about certificate, documents, and papers. But the intelligence that is required to make sure that we change society, we are not even focused. The last time I told you, you wake up in the morning, you see two lawyers on TV arguing foolishly on issues. I said, when these people are supposed to use the intelligence to amend the cracks in society, because there are a lot of legal pitfalls and loopholes in our system. These people need to come up with alternative. A bit me amaya amend by hano doing law and as a degree ni say ya kwatena TV so na me show me catch power to show we dey na ya jin kwase chinja fa so ni so we are no but the role I say yet to solve society no ebi ni ho talk on no issue yi ba ya na back and forth we you see at the time na amamfo make kroma asem si a na wo hu expect na se for no asem nye talk on no issue no ba no you say people were saying so Kwanya efa so you remove chief justice no enye na prima facie and establish say your friends say the documents na kokokyere na se for over the years yet kuro say say nyansa na bo bi adwen mu da until the situation your friends say okay see here enti as an intellectual no you don't sit for problems to pop up. Your job should be like a primary health care agency, that is where you activate your intelligence, you scan through society, identify challenges, problems, and bring certain solution to bear. And then say academic work. America, some of the young guys, that's what they are doing. Open AI. Some people start and say, oh, artificial intelligence, you bit in the idea to quicken the way and manner people will do things. And they came up with a concept, and it is beautiful. It's not something and I'm Ghana higher better than so we criticize it. You were engineers who has a what on one casacra and the car, your friends say, why are Tiwasia? He doesn't even know what the best. What I say. So what kind of academic way na here? That is why I've been proposing say the entire academic system we need to retool it. Because emphasis ni so so here na amane a ye namu na obi be dware alternatives am ye professor me ye we na wo he na chi na ono na ohiane na se for ma ye wo ma it means say ye nyina ya failure ho as a country, and we need to move to a certain direction where we can tap into the innate potential of obia. For a mind to grow, you don't only need people with certificate. There are people from diverse areas. Go to Argentina. Lionel Messi as an individual, the kind of gains or the Argentina, I am not sure that any single person in Okan lawyers or more Argentina, Boma. Adia Messi as a footballer. Need school. Need a football talent but the bra Argentina no can lawyers or more Argentina boma can judges or more Argentina boma plus the president or half of crown or won't be from what I say. So it tells us that we must begin to expand our horizon. We have always been very restrictive in our perspective concerning education. So we narrowly look at the problems, we fixate on it, and without looking at other alternative options. No kind of GBC for Bibino, we are not turning, and I think it's so for me, I think it's a right call. That G-Tech boss not honor. Ajuma is right, but the modus operandi is absolute nonsense. And for me, if people are calling on his head, it means people are dissatisfied with the way a manner he's going about his thing. It's quite unfortunate. So, but that's sorry, not such sensitive areas. About the subject, I hear debating on social media, and away your professor, where you say, Ebasana. Or more genuinely, or more crowd your friend is a certificate, you cast doubt because we have created a certain way. Say there are some but they might be working with fake certificates. That is the realm you prove out to. But what if you do all the background investigation? Now, what if I conclude say, your certificate is fake? The very moment I would the Bible and say, then you are armed with relevant information and yet rebuttable. You don't do it with issues. Let me rebut those presumptions.
Yeah.
And so now the Bible thing. Now what the Bible and it can be rebutted. It means how when you were doing away. Professor Yensu de Yodebaye, you did not do a single background check on whether to say she had a certificate or not. And I said, well, go through what she's claiming she have or not. Now with the social media back and forth. The thing started in Parliament. I did actually an G-Tech boss or Drew. And I don't know to America. And as I don't know. You see, it's absolute nonsense. And I think that his behavior doesn't espouse or be mature. And that is why I think his own colleagues are asking that he should go home. He's not fit for that particular job. And I think if a better person can be assigned to do that particular job, it will help. Or maybe the mandate should be redefined, because this social media back and forth is so annoying. I am not saying, say, a Jumana or any so yet. Because it needs to be a graphic certificate. Now, you're a Yamana Basa, because we cross Animan and the respect to Okroba. And so some man for so Okroba and yet home.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.